Well, as ISRI chair and the responsibilities that went with it, the two things that really stand out in my mind. One, the first and most important one was the DSW issue by EPA, the definition of solid waste.
Okay.
Robin pulled me over at a board meeting to tell me that the EPA changed the definition of solid waste to include all recyclables, and that these metals and paper and plastics were going to be not only waste, they're going to be hazardous waste. And it hit me that at that moment, the livelihood of all of us in the scrap industry was hanging in the balance. And so Robin told me, her advice was, get together a task force. And I knew just who to go through. And my first person I went to was Joel Dembo. And he says, I have to have Shelley. I said, well, I was going to tell you to put Shelley on that, Shelley Padnos on that committee. And the work that they did at the Santa Barbara board meeting up till 2 o'clock in the morning, getting the response to the EPA, and then waiting 3 years for them to answer. And when they did finally answer, we won our argument. And that was the one thing that I'll never forget, because it was such the hard work of so many people who volunteer for ISRI, the members. Without that, no telling where our industry would be